Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make a three-dimensional pyramid using Buckyballs. These are magnet balls that stick to each other. They're high-density magnets. You can order them online. Just Google Buckyballs. Alright, so what you'll need are obviously Buckyballs and gift cards or any type of cardboard type of cutting device. Don't use credit cards because that's going to mess up the magnet strip. If you go to purchase something, you won't be able to do it So for the reference, use cardboard. That's the way to go. Alright, so we're going to start out by following an algorithm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 is the first algorithm that we'll follow. So what that means is that's how many Buckyballs will be in that successive row. So we'll start creating a polygon in this shape. So just follow me if you guys get lost. So just create a polygon like that, like so. And then use the cutting device. What I like to do is I like to see the middle strip here and match it up with the highest number in the algorithm. So our algorithm here is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. So let's count 6 in the middle. So 3 and 3, 6. Cut the extra off. And then, alright, so we have 6 here. Take this guy off. Alright, so now we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Cut the extra off. Boom. That's the first piece of the puzzle. Alright, next we'll be making a similar procedure, but we're gonna now do another algorithm that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So take our buckyball device here and just continue making successive chains. So again, the algorithm is 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. Whoa. So just continue making that. Once you get that, you can stop. I think I should be good. Alright, so we're going to be making 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So again, match the middle one up with the highest number. So that's 5. So now we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So this is cut out. You should be left with this as your second piece. Move that off to the side, make sure they don't stick. Next up we have 2, 3, 4, 3. So continue wrapping the buckyballs together. You can probably just stop midway. You're going to wrap everything across. See, you have 2, 3, 4, 3 here by simply just winding it up. So you can just stop right there. And next we have 2, 3, 2. So you can just wind that up real quick. Alright, we got 2, 3, 2. And for the next step, we'll be taking 6 balls. 6 balls are here. Making it into a triangle. Like that. Let's put that off to the side. And again, repeat that step. Make another 6-ball triangle. So these are the 6 essential pieces that you'll be needing in order to start off by making the Buckyball Pyramid. So to continue further, we'll be making loops on each of these pieces. So pick the first piece up, connect your string of buckyballs, and make sure you have 5 buckyball pieces looping across each edge of each corner of the triangle. So here you see there's 5, and then make another 5, and then make another 5, and then that's it. So this here this will represent the base of the pyramid. Next, we have do the same for the next piece. So 5 piece. Is that 5? Yeah. And then if you run out of buckyballs, just get a new string of buckyballs and then continue on your way. It's another 5 and another 5. And stop right there. Second piece. So you should have these 2 pieces. Next, we'll be dealing with this piece right here, the 3, 4, 3, 2. So similarly, do the same, 5, and then 5, and then march this one across, and yeah, like that. That should be a third piece. Put that off to the side. Fourth piece, same business. We want to get 5. We want to get 5 across, so 5. Get more Buckyballs. It's 5 and 5. You realize here I added an extra Buckyball here that wasn't needed, so just pull that out. And oops, should be one over here. It gets a little harder as you go up the Buckyball chain ladder, whatever you want to call it. So we have, oops. So we have 5 here, 5 there, and 5 here. So this one is set. Put that off to the side. So you should have 4 pieces that look like this. Next, pick up one of the 6-piece triangle piece that you have here. Start connecting Buckyballs to that. You'll be looping around 3 this time. So instead of the 5, you'll be making sure that there's 3. So like that, and like that. Like that. So as you can see, there's 3 loops here instead of the 5 that we did before. There's an extra one here, so you just pull it out, put it with your. That should be the 5th piece. And so now the 6th piece here, we're gonna take 3 Buckyballs, and then we're gonna connect it onto one corner, and then connect it onto the other corner. So it should be something like this. So repeat this step 2 more times. So do that for this corner, and connect it on that corner, and again we're gonna do it on this corner, connect it on that corner. So that should be the sixth piece. So you should have 6 pieces in total, as you can see here, to make your Buckyball pyramid. Now let's start constructing the pyramid. So go back to the first piece that we constructed. Pinch the corner, so it's triangle shaped. Take the second piece that we constructed, pinch the corner, and then simply pick it up in your hands, like so, and then connect the tip of the second piece with the middle, in between the 3 of these Buckyballs here. So you want to try to match it up so that it has the correct polarity. Yeah, right there. Like that, like so. So you should have a snug fit. Don't worry if it doesn't seem like a pyramid right now, but that's how it should look. So that's your second layer of the pyramid. So now take the 3rd piece that we made, which was the 3-4-3-2 construct. So again, pinch one side, or pinch one corner rather. Take that corner, and again meet the 3 triangle intersection. Yeah. It should just fall into place, and then it should just fit together snug. So that should be your pyramid so far. Next we have this one, the first one that we made, which was the 2-3-4 one. So this is gonna go like that. Pinch it again, like that. That should be what it's remaining. And then next, we should have this, and then the next piece should go on top of that. So, like so, get the right polarity. Right polarity. Yeah. So light polarity. So that should be that. So now this is the most important step of the tutorial. So now we want to try to take off the corner pieces here. So as you can see in the middle, you have the 3, 2, 1. Now just take off the corner pieces with the XX Buckyballs you have left. So just hit the corner carefully, picking up the Buckyballs. Make sure you get the right polarities if needed. Like so. Like so. And then after this, we will be making the next layer of the pyramid. Like that. That should be the next layer. So now, after this step, we'll be making 9 balls. We'll be using 9 balls, and then after that, we'll simply make a triangle, like so. It should be like that with a hole in the middle, and this one should just go right on top of that. It's gonna be hard to make, so just kind of handle it yourself, manhandle it. So. Alright, and then just put a buckyball in the middle, if you notice what I did there. So that should be that. And then the next step after that, we have six balls. Make a quick triangle out of that. So it should be like that. It just goes on top of this. Like so. And then we're almost done. Get 3 triangles to make the last addition to the pyramid. That just goes on like that. Gets harder as you go up, but just try to make it stay still. And then lastly, on top goes the cherry on top, like that, like so. Now this doesn't really look like a pyramid so far, if that's what you guys are saying right now. So kind of just like pinch the sides like that lightly, because we still need to add a couple more buckyballs on the bottom. Alright, so then just flip it over. You see that there's 3 holes missing buckyballs. Just take a buckyball, fill it in, like that, and then take another one, fill it in, like so, take another one, fill it in, like so. So that should be covered, that should cover all the empty spaces in the bottom as well as the inside. So this is a 3-dimensional pyramid that covers all rows of the triangle with buckyballs. So this is a tutorial. If you guys have any questions, leave any comments below. It's pretty quick making this. Alright.